Hey designers, today I will show you how to apply Apple Liquid Glassy effects like this. So how to make this, let's start. You will take it single icon. I will take it like example camera icon. I'm select create auto layout and go to corner radius 500 pixels. Create a circle, insert frame and align with centered. Ignore this auto layouts and go to frame and clip content. Okay, and go to circle, apply color white, 10% opacity, effects, add in background blur, 7% opacity, add a texture 90/40. Okay, you will take it, clip to shape on click and go to circle, click on circle, bring to front. So check it this again. So that's done. Go to frame, apply inner shadow, x1 y1, blur 10%, color white into opacity 40%. You will take it. Okay, add in secondary inner shadow, x1 y minus 1, blur 4%, opacity white, opacity 25%, color white. Add a third inner shadow 1, minus 3, 10% blur, color white, 15% opacity. So check it tree again, overall shadows. That's done. Okay, so color, go to circle, apply this opacity 7%. Apply these effects on frame, that will duplicate and replace this icon. Camera will call icon, import in frame and go to delete this camera icon. Apply this effects. So effects looks premium, classy and super. If found that this video helpful, so don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you.